Hello in my factory. This is case mini excavator boom. I done some of bore repairs and some other repairs too. So what I done, I make the line boring right here. 1, 2, 3 bores. This here I exchanged only a bushing what was from factory. I make the bolts. These bolts have very tight fit. Also I make here bore repair. You can see I repair bushings. This bolt too is tight fit. I make another bolts for right there. This one is my make it. Also this one much of bolts I make new. I make it also bushings, but I not repaired the bore. This bore is repaired by me. Another bushings is make it. Here can see and good make it bore repair. I turn it larger by electric bore head, then I make a repair bush and press into this bore. Here too was damaged bore. This too is make a new, and this is called as excavator arms. They are right here, and I think this one was something like that. Here should be a seals, but customer by himself press into here seals. This was all original bolts and bushings. You can see how much is worn this bushing. I take a new bolt and fit it. It shouldn't be so good to customer bring these pieces to me for repair. Also here where fits the bucket bolt I too changed. You can see how worn it was right here. By angle grinder I cut right here, and by gas oxygen torch I burn it out. Then by hammer I pull it out and fit a new one and weld. So old pieces. For bolts only I copy paste. Customer brings a material like this one, and old bolt I just copy paste, nothing more. Here too can see how worn it is. It should be there. These boards are not repaired because they are already good. Tight fit. It's good. So, thanks for watching. Good luck and have a nice day.